Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video I will show you how to migrate from Metamask to your DeFi wallet or xDefi wallet. Now first of all, make sure to watch our tutorial on how to set up your xDefi wallet because you will need it. We created a tutorial within 3 minutes how to set it up and it's really simple. So after we have done that, we have to go to our Metamask right here. And what we'll have to do is obviously we'll have to put in our password and we will have to unlock our MetaMask. Now we can go to X right here and we make sure to go to our MetaMask right here, obviously. So we can go here, we can go exit out of it right here. And what we can do is we can go here and we can go to settings. And then as you can see, we have to go to security and privacy and we have to reveal a secret recovery phrase. Now, I will not reveal this phrase because you should not reveal this phrase to anyone. Just make sure to know this phrase. Once you click reveal, you will be able to copy this phrase. So copy this phrase and make sure to write it down on your paper as well. Now, after you have copied this phrase, we can go to our DeFi wallet. If we set up the DeFi wallet correctly, this is how your DeFi wallet should look like. Right now, we can go to the 3 lines right here. We can go to wallet management and we can go import wallet. From there, we can go to seed phrase and we can paste our MetaMask seed phrase here. We can click I have read and agree to terms of use and click import. This will basically import all of your MetaMask to your xDefi wallet. So that's pretty much how it works. It's really simple, really straightforward. Also, what you can do is if you're new to installing xDefi wallet, you can go and click create or click actually restore from the previous wallet, and then you can put your own MetaMask seed phrase. So that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have some concerns or you don't know how to do anything, comment down below and I will answer with obviously my expertise. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next video.